Phone.
It's hard.
Phone if you only.
Okay.
That's good.
So guys, anong pag-uusapan natin ngayong araw?
I don't know. I'm feeling a little spooky. I
I
wanna.
know, this whole setup is giving me spooky vibes.
Oh,
Exactly. I'm feeling a little, that kind of want to discover some things.
Our place
Yeah.
is like abandoned, but it doesn't look like abandoned.
It's giving empty classroom, that's it.
Okay.
It's giving escape room.
So today, our group will be talking about conspiracy theories directly relating to the Illuminati.
So how do we start?
So, actually, Illuminati is a very very vague topic. Like, what's the first idea that will pop up in your heads when you hear the word Illuminati?
Yeah.
Like I think of this like secret society.
Yeah,
That
secret society, right?
Yeah, that like they plan some things, like they somehow control the world.
And its symbol as well. The triangle with
Yeah,
an eye.
that's what
Okay,
reminds me.
yeah.
So the triangle with an eye is the eye of providence. Actually, you can see that on the $1 bill.
Anyway,
Moving on.
oh, have you guys heard? Since we're on the topic of the Illuminati, anyway, since they're a secret society, have you guys heard of their plans?
Yeah. So, since Illuminati is an organization that started way back in 1800s, what's the person's name who started Illuminati?
I think it starts with an A.
Adam?
Yeah, Adam Weishaupt, I think.
Yeah. So, ito po siya.
In the screen
Yeah.
right now.
So,
He's from
Germany.
Bavaria.
true?
Yeah, he's from Germany.
Okay.
Yeah, but it was called Bavaria
Before.
in 18th century, around 18th century.
I didn't know that. So basically, Mr. Adam, apparently, it is said that he's the one who started Illuminati in the first place. And he made that because I think he wants to change the world. So this is where the New World Order comes in. What do you know about the New World Order?
You know, ever heard of the New World Order before? In fact, in historical times, do you guys know Winston Churchill?
Who's that?
He's from England. I forgot his position. What's he?
What? Okay. So the New World Order. So in this theory, it is said that. Oh.
I actually have a take on that.
Okay.
Oh.
I've
Sure.
heard that, like, the governments, they're trying to, like, this Illuminati organization is, like, trying to control the government.
Okay.
Okay, what's your take?
The thing is, since Illuminati has been there, it has always been there, hidden, way back.
Before the government.
Yeah. Actually, there's even before that, probably they have infiltrated every single institution.
Yeah,
Like the big deal institutions, because they are trying to make their agenda happen. So what is their agenda in the first place? I think their agenda is like to establish a
Totalitarian.
totalitarian world in which there's only one government,
Which is them.
which is them, that will govern all of the continents and the countries and everything.
The world.
Yeah, so
Basically,
basically,
yeah, it's
they
basically-
want to take over the world.
Yeah, it's basically world domination.
Yeah, literally world domination. So that is the theory.
So, what do you guys think? World domination. What do you guys think?
Yes, great.
Honestly, I think that will just really I think it will be like the end of the world if that happens. Because one ruler for the whole entire world, like,
And people are selfish.
yeah.
Exactly.
Like, what do you think will happen to you?
But it could also be like a way to like unite the world, you know.
Yeah, but,
Yeah, that's
How about
possible.
intentions, man?
yeah. Like, the people, not all will agree to that.
Yeah, that's true.
Although,
Because we value freedom.
Yeah,
Yeah, true. I think
That's
I
why we have
understand.
democracy.
I think I understand like what you guys mean by it's technically taking away our freedom.
Yeah.
But wouldn't it be great
No.
to just have
For example,
no. Just this is just an opinion. But like wouldn't it be great if like the world was just run by like this one person and they're like hearing everyone.
Okay.
Although there are cons, there are
I'll
a lot
give you
of
an
cons.
example of what you're talking about. Kim Jong-un, North Korea.
Yeah.
Like, how are you going to manage the whole world if there's only one ruler? Like, of course, it will be like conservatism.
Yeah.
Very strict.
We have to follow
the rules.
everything that one person says.
I think that will depend on the ruler.
But they are
Yeah,
trying
it
to
is-
establish,
It
right?
depends on the ruler, but
It depends on the ruler,
It
but
depends.
from previous experiences of like the world, it has never turned out great. Because like Hitler, Kim Jong Un, who else was like, who
Well,
else
the
was like
possibility-
making a totalitarian world.
The possibility,
are endless.
yeah, like, pantay lang yung possibility na magiging good or bad. Maybe it's for the best. Some people might,
Might think it's
yeah,
for the best.
yeah, might believe that their agenda is really great
Mhm.
and will support them with their whole whatever.
I think at first it will be like really difficult because of
Yeah, it
Yeah.
will.
the culture shock of different rules being applied.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
But I think maybe in the end game it might be good. Like
Yeah, it might actually benefit.
it might benefit the whole
When is
world.
the end game? Are you referring?
Maybe a few centuries. I mean,
Exactly.
something
You
like
would be
that.
even alive by then.
Yeah, we don't know.
but it's the future, you know, the future.
And the earth is dying.
Okay, hear me out. What if, since Daniel mentioned the end game, what if the end game is already happening?
It is already
It
happening.
is already
No.
happening.
Listen to me. Like, what if they're already trying to take over the
Yeah,
world?
Man,
that's what
they have been doing that. Because, you cannot do world dominance if you're just going to start like for like 10 years. They've been here for so long.
Wait,
Yeah, they've been grounding themselves to the roots, man. And
Exactly.
infiltrated everything.
No.
Actually, in theory.
Everything. It's just theory. However, just think of it
They
this way.
believe that?
Think of it this way.
What?
The pandemic.
Wait, actually,
Oh, no.
I think Enzo has a point there. Like,
What?
it's been like centuries, yeah. Like, since they've been like dominating this world, but like right now, I feel like
What makes you think it's
no,
good, man?
it's not good. I get his point that like not out of nowhere, but like at this generation or this like point of time, they've been like known, much more known than before. And it's,
Yeah.
like they want themselves to be much more known than before. And it's funny because
They ain't even hiding it anymore.
yeah, they are not hiding it anymore.
They're so loud about it.
Yeah, like at this time, but before they weren't like that. And that's funny because it's like the end of like it's kind of end of the world now. You know what I mean? Like everything that's
Yeah.
happening, and then suddenly they just wanna be known.
That reminds me of like 2012. Remember when
Yeah.
people used to talk about like
The end of
2012
the
is
world
the
End
end
of the world.
So, yeah, and now we're in 2024 and it still hasn't ended.
Okay. Trivia time.
Okay.
I found something. Diba before, we were talking about how if you spell Illuminati backwards and search it on Google search, it
Yeah.
will like directly lead you to the
National
Security
Security.
Agency. Like,
We've
Look.
talked about that, right?
and I found something new.
Oh,
And
okay. Now
So-
elementary.
so I remember I was listening to TikTok. I figure out, you know how WW, World Wide Web, World
Yeah,
Wide
yeah,
Web,
yeah.
it's very common.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Computers, blah blah blah, internet. But when you put www dot, no, actually without the dot, on Greek alphabet, the equivalent letters of W in Greek letters is 6.
6.
So
Literally
www is
six?
666.
As in like the number 6.
No, look at this, look at this, look at this.
I can't see. I have
Look at
poor
the
eyesight.
W.
Mm.
Yo.
Look. So originally 666 wasn't really bad, but according to something that I have read
Yeah.
on Google, yeah, it is a theory that you know how Jesus made the world and on the seventh day he rested. Like he made humans on the sixth day, if I'm not mistaken.
Mm-hmm.
And on the seventh day is the completion of the making of the world,
Yeah.
apparently. So I think it became bad because they made it in a way that 666 meaning
The
Like-
world doesn't end.
no, like you're not
What do you mean?
acknowledging
That the world
Jesus.
is
Like it should be like
Oh, you're
well,
not acknowledging that
Yeah.
it's complete.
yeah, like
Mm.
when it's 666, it's like you're saying that you do not need Jesus to like
Completed.
to complete your life and everything, that you can do everything on your own, something like that.
I think that's
That's a
crazy.
theory.
That's
So
crazy.
that's why it's 666. So like they made this organization like man-made to govern everything because they want. I don't know what they're trying to prove,
Or like
but
what they are
world
trying to
domination. Yeah, but
Oh,
world domination is. Man.
Speechless.
Yes,
Oh,
speechless.
We are speechless. Like,
Okay,
researching this.
Go with-
But guys, personally, what do you guys think of this whole world domination thing?
I don't like it. I'm very sensitive when it comes to my freedom. I just, in my opinion, personally, like, imagine if you're like being so restricted and limited of the things that you should have been experiencing all along. Like, you're being deprived. You're going to be deprived, I assume, that, because grabe, napakalawak ng government and what would you expect? Like, everybody is so corrupt, everybody is so selfish. Like, it's me against the world.
True.
Like, what do you really want to say or like expect in the world government? Like, everybody is so different. Like, how are you going to like unite yourself like that, man?
And to be fair,
Yes, I'm good with United Nations already. But not the
wait. Hear me out.
What?
To be fair, if like there's only one leader and it's like this secret society that's been trying to control the world since like the 18th century, do you guys really think that they will do a good job in controlling the world?
Yeah. And
Nah.
Why?
no, I don't think.
No,
I think it's a bit difficult. There's so many countries.
No, the thing is, you can be very skillful in managing political affairs or whatever affairs it takes to manage or govern the world.
There's gonna be so many countries to manage, though.
No, like
Yeah,
It is
gonna
the
need help.
intentions whether that person is trying to establish the world dominance. What it, like, because we don't know their intentions, like the real
actually,
intention.
no matter what their intention is, like for example, this like organization, like no matter what intention they have, like good or bad, I don't think the people would actually agree with it because the people are selfish. everybody. I mean, I'm not saying everybody, but like
I think you know how everybody wants to be happy and they have
they have
different-
their own.
yeah their own definition of being happy. I think people should be free, but if they're not well guided, they'll be like America. That's so hard to realize.
Guys,
I'm so
listen.
sorry.
Listen. What if I tell you that world domination, well, technically they're trying to unite the world, right? What if I tell you that they've already done that?
They are.
Wait. They've already done that in a legal way.
How?
Oh,
You guys know United Nations and NATO.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
them.
no.
That's
I believe
them.
that. I actually believe that. I actually believe that.
then that's like infiltration.
Okay.
Infiltrating the government.
Yeah, they're doing
Technically, they're
that.
already doing that. Then, like, isn't it crazy that technically we have this, like, what do you call this? The one in Netherlands, the court in Netherlands, what do you call that?
What do you mean?
There's this court in Netherlands that, like, they try to judge, like, each country. It's basically like an international court.
Their own opinions.
What do they do there?
What do they judge?
So basically, like, each country has, like, representatives and everything. Like, you guys know Duterte, right?
Yeah.
What do you call this court?
I go figure it out first.
Okay, you
But-
guys stop.
But isn't it funny that in this generation, the COVID-19 happened to us?
There's this theory, actually.
Yeah.
Sorry to cut you off. But there's this theory like every 100 years, parang may nagkakaroon ng pandemic.
Yeah.
It's funny because before there's this pandemic too na what is it Ebola? Before like
Hmm?
it's been like
The virus.
yeah, it's
Ebola?
been a very long time. And this is like the newest virus na we had for a very long time. Eh, yun nga, that's what's funny because it's happening right now. Like, there's a lot of theories that's
The
connected.
main point is like this related to the population control
Yeah.
on how like I think when they did so we believe
That's what I
I mean as is I that coronavirus is a man-made virus to reduce the world's population. So they made this virus, right? And I think at the same time that they're doing their agenda to reduce the world population, they are trying to experiment if the people will listen to the advisories of the government. I mean, they will.
Yeah.
That's why it was very successful. Look, like for the people who actually died from coronavirus.
The weak people.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially the weak people, the people who has
Low immune system.
illnesses
Yeah.
even before. Because the people, at least in my observation, the people who are actually healthy and when they get coronavirus, it's like a normal cold, and it got it disappeared
That's what I
2 weeks
thought.
later.
Thought so.
We're gonna get so cancelled for this.
Yeah, but what she's saying is true because like the
You guys say it's true. These are theories.
no, like the
No, it's real.
people who got sick because
People who have really
Yeah.
like low immune
I mean,
system
no offense.
resistance.
I know like a lot of people like got sick and died at that time, but there were really like even my grandma though, like she's already old and my grandpa too, he's really old, but like he had like this colds and they thought it was COVID, like it wasn't even COVID. And every like old people that I met, like they had COVID, like at least once in that pandemic.
They didn't die.
Yeah, but they had COVID because they had low immune system, but they didn't die.
They have strong guardian angels.
So they basically want the weak people to die and the strong ones to live.
Yeah, because that's their way of instilling fear in people, right?
I mean,
They just wanna like lessen the population in the world, you know.
Well,
It's too much.
Allegedly,
Allegedly.
it is part of their agenda to reduce the world's population. I think I've read that before about the Illuminati, like they're trying to reduce the world population. I wish if you guys know about the book, there's this book that has been written. Like it said that there was a time traveler who knew everything happened, and that guy went back in time and wrote a book. And now, like I think there's this citizen who has the book, and that person agreed that whatever is written on the book is actually happening.
Really?
Yeah.
What's the title of the book?
Yeah, I forgot. It's very important. Aiden, but
That would be good.
It's actually funny.
it's very
Like
good.
I think no one will believe this, but like this is, you know, it was really said by them, but I think no one will believe it because it's a theory.
Yeah, it's a theory.
But anyway,
Okay.
what's your take? What is your take on this theory? Like, what do you guys think of like the Illuminati using COVID-19 as a way to
That
limit
is
the
so
population?
normal. You think, you know how people do bad things even for a shallow reason?
Yeah.
This ain't shallow, man. You know, people can do very bad things, and for you to think na hindi ka kinokontrol ng government, or even like they shape your like
Right.
choices and
Yeah.
opinions. Now you think that you are choosing a choice or an option, but in reality, whatever choice you made, like makaka-benefit para sa kanila.
Yeah.
I think this has been happening, like especially in America.
Speaking of America, sorry, I just wanna butt in. But like speaking of America, you guys know that Americans they love their Second Amendment, right? I think it's the Second Amendment. Basically, they have this in the Constitution. They have the right to bear arms.
Oh, yeah.
They love to have like guns,
Yeah.
like privately owned guns. And I read somewhere that one way of the Illuminati to control the population, they're removing guns, or like they're removing privately owned guns so they can avoid retaliation. Like that's their way.
good.
That's their way of like controlling people so they can retaliate.
Okay, this next topic is
Okay?
might be
Okay?
controversial. Do you know, guys, that because this is about religion connecting to Illuminati?
Oh wait. Before we go down that deep of a rabbit hole, I wanna know what you guys think.
Bye.
Like overall, like what we've talked about so far, what do you guys think? Because technically, like I'm finding out so many new information, and my mind is blown. Like this COVID-19 thing, I used to think that it's just like a pandemic that got out of hand because
Out
people.
of nowhere.
Out of no,
I mean,
Sorry,
it's supposed to be out of
it
nowhere.
really
Out
came
of
out
nowhere.
of nowhere. Like when I was like studying and stuff, like they said we will have like a 2 days break, 2 weeks,
2 week break,
2
right?
week break.
Doing break.
And
Two week
I
break.
was like, oh,
The biggest
okay.
scam.
We were so excited because there was no classes and everything, but we were shocked that there was
Became 2 years.
we were shocked that there was suddenly a virus, so we didn't even know in the first place. Like, when it even came here, bro? Like,
Guys, you know the sketchiest thing? It came from China.
Yeah.
I mean, not
Okay,
being,
that
not
sounds
being
racist.
but
That sounds racist. I'm just trying to clear it up. I'm not racist. I'm just saying that it's ironic because
I
technically a lot of things are produced by China. Like in the
That's
Philippines,
true.
you can find so many toys that are labeled as made in China,
Yeah.
right?
Like the first case of COVID, I think it wasn't from a Chinese person.
Really?
I don't think it was from a Chinese.
It wasn't from a
didn't it
Chinese-
originate in Wuhan?
it wasn't from
It
a
wasn't
Chinese
from-
person, but
It was in
it
China.
was eaten. It was a
the bats.
Yeah.
Bats.
If you remember, someone like ate something and then like
Oh.
they said it's a
No,
corona.
no.
Guys, we're eating here.
Don't say weird things, please.
But like they ate something and then the corona happened.
Happened.
And it's funny, like why did they even name it corona and stuff? Like Where did they even get that?
Because the virus has
Spikes.
like mixed thorns and spikes,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
a crown. So they name it.
Yeah, but
It's
what
so
if?
weird, man.
What if? That's just my theory, okay? I'm in no way a professional to say any of this, but like, what if they named Corona because it's like the cherry on top that will literally control the population? Because have you guys seen how much we've changed before and
Yeah.
after the pandemic? Like the styles
Bro,
have
the-
changed,
the
literally the
lockdown.
mindsets have changed,
Wait.
right?
I want to talk about the lockdown. It was
Okay,
fun.
okay, go.
Actually, it's not funny because it was kind of sensitive, but
What?
the people were literally like hoarding stuffs.
It's so funny. They were holding tissue paper.
They were
And
holding
alcohol.
toilet papers.
There's no alcohol on the
Yeah,
ice every time.
Every grocery, like since like underage people aren't allowed to go out.
It's really disturbing.
That
when happened.
that pandemic, they didn't wanna. Okay, actually, I just thought about that. They didn't want the underage people to go outside, but they want the older
Can I have
ones to
one,
go
please?
outside.
What do you mean?
Like the older people, they want them to go outside, right? Because like you need to get a quarantine pass and everything. You have to be vaccinated if you want to go out.
Yeah, they made so
And
many restrictions.
If you're minor, you can't go out. Like if you're 18 and below, you can't go out.
It's crazy.
yeah,
And
they made
that's
so many
funny
restrictions.
kasi,
Crazy.
kasi diba,
What?
young
What?
people are like more immune in these things. Diba?
Okay.
Then-
Technically,
Yeah.
no. Technically, no, because like the
I-
immune system
I-
develops like in adulthood
I
or
mean,
something.
But we
Except
were
like,
wearing masks though.
except sa kids.
I don't think the mask help at all.
Because the masks are phony.
No, because like I have an aunt, like she doesn't believe in corona. She kept going outside and like strolling in the mall and all. She'll go kung saan and
She
she
didn't-
never caught corona.
Yeah.
Like
The-
she
the
was
mask.
literally like and nothing happened to her, man.
The mask is literally like a paper.
Yeah.
Just one paper.
I think it helped
A little bit.
dust for the dust or
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
the fluids coming out of your mouth.
And not to mention, like,
It's called
ever since COVID,
Yeah.
Airborne? Okay.
ever since COVID, guys, we started being clean. Have you seen how many people carry
Oh
alcohol?
God, wait. Every time we go out before, like when there was a pandemic, we were supposed to take a shower after we went outside.
Yeah.
Like we have to take a shower if we like went somewhere.
Yeah, but I never
It was
went
so
outside,
funny.
so I can relate.
You know what's funny again? The hoarding stuff. Like every stores or like online shops, there are no alcohols. The mask is literally so overpriced.
So
And
overpriced.
and you know,
Especially mercury drugs.
the face shield, it was literally produced by China.
The face shields were obnoxious.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
They're being too prejudiced.
No,
And guys,
No, we're not. But like, it was like made again by China, and the freaking Corona like was from China.
have you guys seen
Is it
how
like-
face shields look? Literally, if you wear glasses, like me, if you wear
Yeah.
glasses,
It's so
it's so
funny.
hard.
It's
It's so hard to have one.
You need to like wear two
Wait, I think
glasses
I think Philippines was the
on top of
only.
each other.
Wait, I think Philippines was the only country that had to use a face shield.
Yeah, because in America, they don't even believe in COVID. They literally went out.
They
Yeah,
went
we
out,
did
but
that
like they just used masks and
No, not even that. Some people are, like, on the internet, you can see people actually licking stuff.
ew, it's disgusting.
I'm sorry.
What the hell is wrong with you? Okay, moving on to the topic.
Moving on.
This is very controversial because it is about the Vatican.
Yo,
Okay.
we're really gonna get cancelled.
Because, there's no such thing as a perfect government or perfect religion because it is all man-made. So basically, there is this theory that the Vatican and the Illuminati are like, like that, like holding hands,
We're
working together, are working together because they have the same agenda.
Oh, have you guys seen Inside Job? That's that Netflix show. It's a cartoon
You
show.
should guys watch Inside Job if you have Netflix.
And-
It is a good series.
Yeah,
it
and-
shows everything that
Sorry.
you know. It is a speculation, but it's too real. Like it's not real, but the
Like, it's on point.
yeah, it's on point. Like the human cloning and the lizard people.
Oh,
God.
And there's this, wait,
We're
there's
still on
this-
Batek.
wait. There's this episode in Inside Job, like, they go to Rome and they visit the Pope.
For real?
Yeah, they go to Rome, they visit the Pope.
Is it season 2?
Yeah, it's,
I haven't
it's
watched
season 2. They go to Rome, they visit the Pope. And you know what's hiding underneath Rome?
What?
It's
What?
hell.
Oh my god!
Literally hell.
I know that.
Literally, it's like they're going to instill fear in people by unleashing hell in Rome.
What the
That
heck?
Yeah.
But
Just so they would believe in Jesus.
Okay, okay. I have a theory. So,
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
so popes, right?
Yeah.
Do you know like Freemasons? So basically,
Yeah.
Freemasons is like it is related to Illuminati. Okay, and
Yeah.
there's this club called the Red Shoes Club, and in this club, it is seen that the Pope is wearing a red shoes, like all red shoes, like all
What
red
does that mean?
That's weird.
Okay, so sa unang tingin, it's like nothing. It's just a normal
Yeah.
red shoes.
It's just a shoes.
Yeah,
It's just shoes.
but basically, there's this club, which is the Red Shoes Club, where like the shoes is made from the children that they abuse and human traffic.
What?
Yeah, like I think that's why it's red because it's from the blood of the children.
Yeah.
So many big deal people, which is, I mean, one of those people is the Pope. Is the Pope.
Die.
And like he was seen like wearing the red shoes and
As in Pope.
nakikipagkamay.
Wait.
Like,
As in
handshake.
Pope Francis or like another Pope?
I'm not sure which Pope is that, but it's like a Pope. It's either him or the Pope before.
Oh.
Like he was seen like nakikipag handshake,
But is
and
it?
all of them are wearing red shoes, man.
That's scary.
Like you can search like the Red Shoes Club. I don't think you can just find that anywhere, but
That's gonna be
there
hard to
are conspiracy theories in YouTube who address that. I
Yeah,
think so.
but like, isn't it like a well-known? It's not really a fact, but it's like a lot of people talk about it that most priests or officials from churches, they tend to like use their power or their authority because like you know how religion is considered sacred by other people. Like
Yeah.
you do what the Bible tells you. You do what the Pope tells you. You do what the priest tells you. And there are there are instances where priests and bishops and like what do you call those? The people that wear black, like all black. This is more common in America, but like
JA?
hmm?
JA?
No.
What the hell is wrong?
Basically, church-related people who work for the church,
Ah,
they have the tendency to like use their power to manipulate young
yeah,
girls and
yeah,
young boys into doing nasty
Yeah,
stuff
I
with
know.
them.
okay. So since like for example, the Vatican has a very high status. Like when you hear Vatican, you like think about it's a sacred place. Like
Yeah.
it's a holy. But how do you think they maintain their high social standing?
I know, right?
I think
It's such a small place, right? Is it a country? Is Vatican a
No,
country?
it is.
It is.
Yeah, it is a country.
what?
Yes, it is.
Really? So apparently,
Yeah.
like
Country with like 1,000 people.
so they do human trafficking. Like there's so many articles before that I've seen that the Vatican is doing human trafficking. And just because it's Vatican, automatically,
They don't think it's good and stuff.
I mean, I'm not speaking for like the whole Vatican. Of course, there are
Yeah,
priests who
they're actually nice
real.
people.
yeah, like the real priests who preach good things
Yeah.
and
Yeah,
you know,
yeah, yeah.
ipapakalat
Not
na
all
sabi
people
na
are like this.
repentance,
Yeah.
na mag-repentance, ganun.
Not all people are,
Repent ka
you
lang.
know, what are we talking about right now?
But I think the Vatican the Vatican has a high social standing is because they also do financial manipulation.
For sure.
Because how are you going to maintain that high social standing without the money and the connections of higher people
And
in
don't
the
you-
like
I think I see
In
some.
the pyramid.
Yeah, in the pyramid.
But it's so weird because like, okay, this is just like I got this information from a TV show, but like I don't know if it's real. But again, these are theories, so who cares what's real?
What's real and what's not real.
Yeah, but basically, priests and people from churches, typically priests, they have to maintain this like poor status. They have to be poor. And
what do
we're
you mean?
like they have to be poor. They can't have like possessions.
Why?
Like it's a way to like show that you've given up your life for
Oh,
God,
okay.
for serving God.
I get it.
Yeah.
Like,
And like churches have like immense funding. Right?
I know like people
they get
donate,
donations and stuff.
but
Yeah.
the donations will not, keep you alive for a long time. Some donations can.
Yeah, not all people donate naman. So
Actually, not just Vatican for me. I think other religions too. I mean, I don't want
Other
to say specific religions, but they have this like thing that they've been saying. This religion that I've heard, like they keep on saying it is like the end of the world is coming. Yeah,
I'm sorry. I know what you're talking about.
they keep on saying that it is almost the end of the world.
I mean, it is true. There are signs
Yeah,
that
but-
it's already ending. Even in the Bible, it said there are prophecies and it's coming.
This religion is very rich too, so that's funny because like Vatican and this religion that I know is like rich. And where do they get that money? Where do they get that influence?
You know the ano?
I'm trying to think of what religion
Guys.
you're talking about.
Do you know the Freemason sign? You know the G? G?
Yeah, what does that
Like
G
the
mean?
something like this and like that, and there's a G in the middle.
Yeah, it's the compass and the protractor, I think.
Yeah.
No, not
Yeah, yeah.
protractor, but compass
You
and
know,
something else.
like I think it is related to Illuminati.
Yeah, they're both secret societies.
And do you know that the police cars here in the Philippines, even the people who have actually like a lot of money, like I see like their sign every day on cars. Like
Told me that.
yeah, like so many times, like several times a day, not just like once or twice. Like whenever I go out, there's always like a sign like that in their car. I don't know what that means, but I think I just thought that they are related to Illuminati in some way. Like I think they guys set like a organization that helps people, but we don't know, man.
Technically, Freemasons came from like a group of Masons just teaming up because they're trying to get rich and something or something.
For real?
Yeah, but have you guys heard of Molly Maguires?
What is that?
They're basically like a group of people connected to Freemasons. I think they are Masons, but basically they're the ones who commit illegal acts. Like they assassinate people, they murder people, they commit arson, and they do all of that wearing women's clothing.
What? That's
Just
weird.
great, man.
They use like they're faking that the people who do that are women. That's
Oh,
They
I
gay.
remember.
They're not gay.
You know,
They're just doing it.
you know the sign? The sign?
What
that's
side? What side? What side?
Like the compass with the G.
Okay.
Like when Elon Musk bought Twitter, diba, pakalanan ng Twitter is X, hindi na siya Twitter.
Yeah, it's not.
yeah.
It's
Like-
now X.
So when you put their logo on the mirror like this is their logo, and you put mirror here, you
Oh,
feel
you have
like
to give an example.
Man! No, like when you do this on the mirror, like you'll see it's like the Freemason sign, like the G with the
It's
compass
actually
and the
weird
G.
that Twitter changed their logo. Like,
Yeah, like why X and why is
the
it black?
Twitter
then?
logo, the tweet.
It's been
The tweet.
like it's been Twitter like
Yeah.
the blue with the bird.
Yeah,
all
the
And
tweeted like the bird makes sense, but like X doesn't make sense, you know?
Yeah, and
Like what's
also,
with X, man?
yeah, and they're still using Twitter. Technically,
I have a lot
Or
of issues with
like-
Elon Musk.
like the web, there's still www.twitter.com. They didn't change it to X.
What do you mean?
You know what? Actually, I think Twitter is like a, I don't know.
Like if you look it up,
We all know is that Twitter is a very dark place. But
Yeah, I think it is a very dark place because if
not only
in
because of the
other,
things you see,
yeah,
but
if,
It's a very toxic place.
if in other social
That's
platforms
what
or social medias, those like different kinds of contents that is very like
it's almost like the dark web
yeah,
sometimes.
I saw something like beating something out like
ew.
wait like there were bloods and everything, you know what I mean?
Ah, I thought they're videos.
So like, normally normally they would take those videos down, especially on Facebook, but
Yeah.
they don't take those videos down on Twitter.
For
Yeah, yeah.
They
That's
don't
why.
take a lot of things out of Twitter.
Yeah, that's why you know what's funny because in TikTok, like they would like say, there's this girl who was jumped and like who was beaten up, and they would say just search it on Twitter and you will see it.
That's
Twitter is
Yeah.
basically the source of all
Evil.
bad things.
Yeah, like
you know, like regarding financial manipulation, I think the reason why they have so much money is because they have infiltrated banks and like they manipulate the interest rate. No, not the interest rate. Like I think they do something on this organization or like the bank itself to maintain their money. Do you know there's a theory? I don't think it's related to Illuminati though. Like that there is this yung zeros down ng bank. As we know, bank is like the storage of money, right?
Yeah.
And they said that, for example, they said that one bank has like 500 million in it. Or something or more. Like the World Bank. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yung pera mo, di ba maraming zeros yun? But
Yeah.
in reality, no, they said, allegedly, well, a theory, that the zeros there are fake. That if you withdraw your money, like if all people withdraw their money right now, they won't get it.
That's the scam. That's the scam of the banks.
For real?
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah,
know. I don't know.
they
I
do
don't know.
That's basically how they like operate, right?
Yeah,
They offer out loans and then they offer out loans, then they add interest. So you have to pay more.
So the money with them is not there. So where is your money? I mean, like, yeah, my
It
pera.
circulates.
Yeah, it circulates.
Yeah, it circulates.
They invest it on something and do business with your money.
oh
So
then
that you-
oh yeah.
I think that's one good way of financial manipulation, especially, you know, the higher apps, like the real big deal higher apps. That's really smart.
Have you guys heard of what do you call this family? The Rothschilds family?
Yeah, they're one of the people who are at the top of the food chain. Like the most powerful, rich.
Yeah, and like actually there's this like issue. I forgot the bank name. I think it's Biscor or something. Yeah, there's this issue like they were caught red-handed that they were manipulating the banks. They were like increasing payments to make them rich. And like, what do you guys think? Because technically we're almost adults and
I mean,
we're going to have our own bank account soon. So
I have
Funny,
bank accounts,
it's funny
like,
that
more than
people
three.
wouldn't notice that.
Yeah, people won't notice it
Like,
because technically most people they just know banks as like you put money
No.
and then you can withdraw it anytime.
Yeah.
This is like part of this information topic. Like,
Okay.
I think they just want you to believe whatever like they advertise and they say.
Yeah, for real.
You know.
Yeah.
Those advertisements out there, not like it looks good, but not all of them are like really good
Real.
for you. And like it's not real. Like they may say like for example, advertisements as that's specifically made in a certain way that when you look at it, like you want to like parang inuutusan. Like there's like a hidden
Yeah, just buy this thing.
yeah. Like
Buy this for something.
You have to
Like-
buy it. This is for your own good.
yeah, similar to that. Like
Buy this for
You
comfort
think-
or something.
you think that they're selling their product, but I mean yes, they're selling their
They
product,
are.
but in reality, like there's a hidden message in that ads. There's so many things like there's a movie like that.
Yeah.
Is that a short film? I think I
Is
saw
it?
it.
Like
What
I,
is it?
I kept seeing this before. Like there's a movie. Like when he put this glasses, there's ads everywhere, and when he put the glasses, it was like the meaning behind the glasses. Yun yung nagpakita, which is like buy this, eat, sleep, oh my god, everything like as if they're dictating you.
So
I
basically,
forgot the movie. Hanapin ko yun. But I think it's a good movie.
yeah. I watched this short. I think it's a short. It's not really a reel, but like it's an animated like 7 minutes story.
Short.
It's about banks, how banks work, and basically there's this part like it explains how there's Federal Reserve. You guys know about the Federal Reserve, right? So basically, the banks they ask for the Federal Reserve. They ask for more money from the Federal Reserve, and the Federal Reserve, they give them that amount of money, and the bank has to pay interest. And when the bank loans out that money, the loaner needs to pay more interest. And basically, it says that the way the Federal Reserve gets money is they just print them out. So basically, like you ask for money, they print them out, and then that's how they get rich.
Basically, they just print out money.
And
Yeah,
they
they just
do.
print out money on command.
I have no take on that.
Yeah, it's just crazy. Like these are all happening in how long have
How long? But we
How
don't
long?
know. We just,
Okay.
especially how long have banks been around?
yeah.
Moving on. I mean, banks benefit a lot.
Yeah,
I mean, people benefit a lot from banks.
Both
Yeah,
ways.
both
they
ways.
both
benefit.
ways. But like banks technically make people bankrupt
Actually,
with
because
their
of loans
crippling
and stuff.
loans.
Not the student loans in America.
Student
Oh,
loans
yeah,
too.
the student loans are so big. Like,
Like you graduate when you're in your early 20s and you're still paying your student loans in your early 50s or something.
Student loans.
Student loans are they suck.
Okay, moving on from media and entertainment, pop culture depictions. You know how in movies, like, there's this thing in the movies where like, there's an artist and like, they will make a deal with the devil and they will like
oh,
gain
yeah,
fame.
yeah. They keep on doing
What,
that on
what do you
movies.
mean? What do you mean?
There are movies like that.
Like, you have to sell your soul to the devil, then you will, like, get whatever you want. Like, get rich and stuff.
Get rich, get more successful in your business, or like you'll have your own family ritual to keep the riches coming. There's a movie like that that you have to like. Well, at least it is a movie, but you know the depictions in the movies is like
Connected, bro.
it's like in your face, bruh. Kapag hindi mo pa nakita yun, ito na lang sa'yo.
You're like,
Okay, so since we're talking about like people selling their souls to the devil and stuff, do you guys know Robert Johnson?
For real, Iron Man,
No, Robert Johnson.
I don't, iba pala. Sorry, naman.
Not Robert Downey Jr. Robert Johnson.
I was like, what? Who is that? Who is
He's not
that?
Iron. He's not Iron Man. Okay. Anyway, he's not Iron Man. This guy. This guy is a sinner. So basically, the thing is, when he was younger, he couldn't play the guitar. He couldn't sing. He couldn't
Oh,
play the
that
guitar.
guy. Okay.
Yeah, he couldn't play the guitar in any way. Like, he sucks at it. And then he goes to this intersection and he meets with the devil and sells his soul to the devil. He signs up. Technically, he signs up and he gives his soul to the devil. And the exact next day, he could play the guitar. He could play the guitar really
I've heard
well.
that.
And like, he actually he became a Hollywood star.
What's the connection of devil and Illuminati?
What is the connection? Well, technically, people say that conspiracy theories say that the Illuminati and Satan, they're working together.
Oh!
I just thought about something
They
like,
do?
what if Illuminati is the devil itself? Because
Yo.
they've
No.
No.
I have counter.
Okay, go.
The counter is
Wait. Let her explain it first, and then you count.
no. I just thought that because with all the happenings like the sacrifices and stuff,
Yeah.
what do you need the
satanic,
sacrifices?
right?
Yeah, what do you need the sacrifices for? Like
Good point.
Sacrifices for the devil.
exactly. That's why.
Exactly.
That's why like they are literally the devil.
But your
themselves.
point that the Illuminati and devil are working together, it's really possible. My counter is, like, I think there are advanced humans. Hindi sila humans, but there are advanced beings. They're called the Anunnakis. You search that up.
They're aliens.
They're basically aliens, but like they're the
Human form.
like the most advanced, like perfect creature being.
Well, you don't know me, but I know you.